publishers, book lovers, news media, and celebrities will all be at the 2014 Los Angeles Times Festival of Books. And with the help of Author Solutions, you can be there too. Festival attendees are interested in one thing: books. And a 1-hour book signing puts you and your title among the thousands of avid readers, giving you the chance to make new fans and grow your following. Attendees will also be able to purchase copies of your book from the Author Solutions Indie Author Bookstore throughout the entire event. Plus, your book will face the crowds browsing the shelves of the Author Solutions Book Gallery and be included in the gallery catalog handed out to interested visitors. Even if you can't be there in person, the Book Gallery and Bookstore give you an excellent way to make your literary presence known. Signing and gallery spaces are limited, so contact your marketing consultant today to join us on the beautiful University of Southern California campus, along with the 140,000 literature lovers expected to attend.